Here is the keypad. Here's the 7-segment display, or the 7-segment LED. Let me move this over. I want to connect these two items up. I click on the keypad, and then I click here. I click on the 7-segment LED, and I click here. Click on the arrow, and I line them up. Nice and neat. Now, connect up the wire 3 to 3, 2 to 2, 1 to 1, and 0 to 0. Looks good so far. We're done. Let's run the simulator, see what happens. I click on 6. Oh, I get a 6. B, I get a B. E, I get a E. F, I get a F. 0, I get a 0. Oh my goodness, I've connected up the keypad to the 7-segment LED. How did I do that? I connected up 3 to 3, 2 to 2, 1 to 1, and 0 to 0. That's how I did it. It's that simple. And thanks so much for listening. Bye-bye now.